The sun rises in a pool of crimson and gold, spreading serenity. The waves play a masterpiece symphony, and the story begins here. The pearl of the seven wonders of the world, the seaside glamour on the Egyptian Riviera, with a panoramic view and a breathtaking scenery that captivates everyone. A fresh food pleasing to your taste, served in authentic pub restaurants. A variety of activities can be done along the coast. Camps designed to enhance creativity, parties each week, while you get to enjoy seaside, a unique bazaar streets that feature all the big restaurants and brands. Once Ibn Battuta said, traveling leaves you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller. At the end of the day, the sun sets as 10 shimmering gold strips spreading out, and the story never ends.